This gooey aloe vera gel is so easy to make at home and it's quick. I'm going to be sharing with you how I do this at home, and also I'll be using only aloe vera gel to detangle my hair. We're going to talk about some great benefits of aloe on your hair and why I think you should use it in your regimen. And we're also going to see how well it detangles my hair and how my hair feels after the use of aloe vera. This is an exciting video and I'm only going to be using the aloe gel to detangle my hair. One product. So if you're interested, keep watching. I am so lucky to have an aloe vera plant outside my house, which means I can use as much aloe as I like because it's available. For this recipe, I am using 2 large aloe vera leaves, and I'm going to cut the ends of the aloe vera. If you've got access to more, I would say maybe use 3 just in case your hair is, thicker or longer than mine. You don't want to run out of this gooey stuff. And as usual, we're going to cut the prickly bits off, and then we're going to chop it off in manageable pieces, if you like, little rectangular pieces, and then start to scoop the gel out of the aloe leaf. The benefits of aloe vera on hair are endless. It's well known that aloe vera is great at helping you combat dandruff. It's got enzymes called proteolytic enzymes which help repair dead skin on the scalp. Aloe vera helps close your cuticle, which in turn helps increase shine on your hair, of which we all want some shine on our hair. Aloe vera can help prevent itch. It can act as a conditioner because it's very hydrating. And of course, it helps combat breakage. And as you can imagine, all these things will enhance the health of your hair and also the length. So I'm excited about including more aloe vera in my regimen. So I'm going to go ahead and continue, scooping the aloe vera out of the leaf. As you can see, I've got help. My husband decided to help me and he seemed to actually peel the leaf off better than me, which I was a bit jealous, but oh well, we got the job done. So I went ahead to kind of just start crushing the aloe with my fingers. You don't necessarily have to do this, but yeah, it's soothing and exciting to me. So I just went ahead and did this. And here is the trick, guys. You do not want to end up with aloe vera juice. So in order to blend your aloe without losing the gooiness, you want to stop and start your blender, or do it on a really slow setting, and make sure that you don't do it for too long so you can preserve the gooiness. Look at how gooey my gel ended up being. In the past, I've made the mistake to just blend it on high speed and with a lot of strength, and I ended up with a juice. So don't do that if your aim is to have a gel. So I go ahead to strain my gel using pantyhose, and that's pretty much it. If you want to extract more gel out of your aloe, you can go ahead and blend it again and then come back and strain it again, and do that process a few times until you have your desired result. This is all the stuff you don't want in your hair, so make sure you strain your aloe, guys. It can be tedious if you have those in your kinky 4C hair. My aloe gel is ready. It's gooey, it is so smooth and so calming, and I couldn't wait to use it on my hair. So I went ahead to apply it straight onto my hair. No water, no other products, just plain aloe vera gel. Now, there is less messier ways to do this, like placing the gel in an applicator bottle and then being really nice and neat about it. But I just loved the experience of having the gooiness in my hands and feeling all of that and applying it to my scalp and my hair. So I just went straight in. If you're going to do this, make sure not to miss the ends of your hair. But again, aloe is great for the scalp as well. So go in there, drench your hair in aloe from the root to the tip. And you will find that it offers quite a great amount of slip. And if you're going to use it to detangle, I would encourage you to start from the ends of your hair and work your way up until you get to the roots of your hair. Before you know it, your comb will glide through the hair. It's so exciting, guys, to see how natural products, chemical free, can be so effective at helping us take care of our hair. If you use aloe gel as opposed to store-bought detanglers, for example, you eliminate the cost, you eliminate whatever chemicals can be in these products, and you have the same effects, same results, if not better. And I'm not saying don't use store-bought products, because I still do, but I'm just saying if you are somebody that's trying to reduce the number of chemicals in your regimen or in your life in general, aloe is a winner. Look at how easily my comb glides through my hair. It was so good to experience. And I don't know if you can tell, but already my hair started to look shinier. You know, I seemed to have quite a bit of definition in my hair already. And like I said earlier, aloe vera helps close your cuticle. So I can understand why my hair is actually looking shinier already. It's so exciting. I'm glad to say that the aloe was actually enough for my hair length and thickness, and also it was very easy to apply to my hair. So if you are thinking of doing this and you've got similar hair thickness or length, you can try 2 large leaves. After applying the aloe all over my hair and all over my scalp, detangling starting from the ends and working my way up to the roots, all over my scalp, guys, I went ahead and left it on for a few minutes. I think it was 15 to 30 minutes, and then I rinsed it all out. These are my results. Do not be deceived by the hair that's lacking shine. Obviously, now that we've rinsed the aloe out, my hair was so hydrated, so moisturized. I was so happy with my results, and I'm glad to say that I saw a reduction in my frizz, because I don't know if you know, but I've suffered frizz for quite some time now, and each time I use aloe or apple cider vinegar, it's like a miracle. The frizz is like gone, bye. So that was a great result. I went ahead and moisturized my hair and styled as normal, but guys, this is it. I hope you can try aloe in your regimen however way. There's so many ways. You know, you can use it as a gel, a spritz. I'll put a link above to a video I've done regarding other ways that you can use aloe to benefit your hair. Until next time, it's Pamela Naturals. Bye.